Hello everyone, my name is Pavita, Assistant Professor in CSC Department at RPIIT Campus Bastada Karnal. Welcome to our YouTube channel RPIIT Academics. If you like the content of this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and save the content. Let's talk today's simulation. A simulation of a system is the operation of a model. The model can be reconfigured and experimented with. The operation of the model can be studied at enhanced properties concerning the behavior of actual system or its subsystem. In its broadest sense, simulation is a tool evaluate the performance of a system existing or proposed under different configuration of interest and over long period of real time. Simulation can be used to answer questions like what is the best design for a new telecommunication network, what are the associated resource requirements, how will a telecommunication network perform when the traffic load increase by 50%, which network protocol optimize network performance, what will be impact of link failure. Discrete event simulation is less detailed than continuous simulation, but it is much simpler to implement and hence is used in a wide variety of situations. The important point is that powerful simulation software is merely hygiene factor. Its absence can hurt a simulation study, but its presence will not ensure success. Experienced problem formulator and simulation modelers and analysts are indispensable for successful simulation study. Simulation study semantic. This flowchart defines simulation study, real world simulation study. In real world, which is defined system under study, altered system, and simulation study, simulation model, simulation experiment, simulation analysis, conclusion. Definition. A simulation is a duplication of operations of real world process or system over time. Generation of artificial history and observation of that observation history. A model constructs a conceptual framework that describes a system. The behavior of a system that involves over time is studied by developing a simulation model. The model takes a set of expressed assumptions, mathematical, logical, symbolic relationship between these entities. Goal of modeling and simulation. A model can be used to investigate a wide variety of what if questions about real world system. Find adequate parameter before implementation. So simulation can be used as analysis tool for predicting the effect of changes, design tool to predict the performance of new system. It is better to do simulation before implementation. When simulation is the appreciate tool. Simulation enables to study of internal